Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and fit at home. This week you will get chapter 2 PDF and worksheet. And in that worksheet, you have to do fill in the blanks, one word answers, and question answers. First, you read the chapter and try to find out the answer from the PDF. And I will explain in this chapter in the next video. Right now, first I want to explain you about the holiday homework. I gave you two project work. One is draw or paste all the planet of our solar system and describe 3 or 4 sentences about each planet in scrapbook or in A4 size book. So you have to describe, we have 8 planet, you have to describe each planet. आपको एक planet के बारे में around 4 or 5 sentence लिखने हैं. You have to write 3 or 4 sentence about each planet in A4 size colored sheet or in scrapbook, whatever you have or whatever you get easily, you will take it. But if you are doing in A4 size color sheet, then you have to file it properly and decorate it properly. But no need to go or to rush to the market. Whatever you have, you at your home, you have to do your own creativity. जो भी आपके पास घर पर है वो आप यूज़ करके उसको डेकोरेट करोगे. अगर आप A4 साइज शीट यूज़ कर रहे हो या स्क्रैप बुक भी यूज़ कर रहे हो तो ओब्वियसली उसको कवर करोगे अच्छे से. लेकिन आपको अराउंड 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं और 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं और 3-4 सेंटेंस लिखेंगे आप, तो आप अराउंड 4 और 5 पेज होना चाहिए. और आप वो प्लैनेट्स अगर आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, ईच एंड एवरी प्लैनेट को आप पहले ड्रॉ करोगे फिर उसके बारे में लिखोगे. और अगर नहीं ड्रॉ कर पा रहे हो और आपको वो थ्रू इंटरनेट या कैसे मिल रहा है तो आप उसको पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. और जितना भी आपको कंप्लीट एंड लर्न ऑल योर कॉपी वर्क, जितना भी आपको काम अभी तक कराया है थ्रू वर्कशीट्स, थ्रू नोट्स, उसमें आप जो हैं यू जस्ट कंप्लीट विथ प्रॉपर डेट एंड चैप्टर नेम. एंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो दैट इज in other language. Sun is commonly known as Suraj or Surya in Hindi and find its name in different language of our country. एक क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको दिया है कि we know about that sun is known as Suraj or Surya in Hindi. You have to find the other name in other languages. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम इसको मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं सन को, या हम तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं, तो ये भी आप A4 साइज शीट में लिखोगे. मतलब जो भी आप, अगर आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन A4 साइज में अटैम्प्ट कर रहे हो देन यू हैव टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इन A4 साइज कलर्ड शीट. बट अगर आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है स्क्रैप बुक में अटैम्प्ट कर रहे हो, स्क्रैप बुक में उसको लिख रहे हो, देन इसको भी आप स्क्रैप बुक में लिखोगे. And I will explain chapter number 2 later or in the next video. If so, right now you have to learn all the questions and complete your work properly. And next chapter is latitude and longitude. So I gave you already PDF, so I want to describe some important points. So this is globe, this is axis, this is axis, and our earth rotate on its axis. Globe is a miniature model of earth. Globe is a miniature model of earth. This is axis, this is globe, north pole, south pole, and our name of the chapter is latitude and longitude. And this is latitude, this is longitude. The line which run from east to west are called latitudes, and the line, this red color line, divide the earth into 2 equal halves. This is equator, and the equator is on 0 degree, and the this is horizontally divides the earth into two equal half. This is equator, and the line which vertically divides the earth into two equal half, this is longitude. This is also on 0 degree and this is also on 0 degree, but the difference is that this is on 0 degree on horizontally and this is 0 degree vertically. So I will want to discuss only important point. I have to elaborate this chapter. I want to explain this chapter more in class after the lockdown or after the summer break. We will meet. So now the important lines of the parallel of latitudes are Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. And you have to do one more thing, that you have to learn these things in the vacation. That if someone says 23.5 degrees south, that it means Tropic of Capricorn, and when someone says 66 degree north, that means we are talking about Arctic Circle. So you have to learn these degrees. Now this is 66 degree north, this is Arctic Circle. Equator is on 0 degree, Capricorn 23.5 on south, and the South Pole 66.5 on south. And three zones of the earth. And what are the three zones? That is frigid zone, torrid zone and the temperate zone. In frigid zone, as you heard about the sound, that frizz, that means very cold. Why it is very cold? Because the sun does not rise much high, or the